Most kitchen upgrades look good for a few weeks, but rarely change how your kitchen actually feels to use. And carrying a heavy pot of water from the sink to the stove? It's one of those annoying little things people just accept. But once you try a pot filler, it completely changes the cooking experience. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today, we're looking at a luxury kitchen upgrade designed to make cooking faster, cleaner, and a whole lot more convenient. Let's dive in. Design. First, let's talk about the design. This faucet has a traditional wall-mounted look with a beautiful champagne bronze finish that instantly makes the kitchen feel more premium. The dual-jointed swing arm gives it a professional appearance while also keeping it practical. And when you're done using it, the faucet folds neatly back against the wall for a clean and elegant setup. It's one of those fixtures that immediately grabs attention without making the kitchen feel overcrowded. Functionality. Now here's where things get really interesting. Instead of carrying heavy pots back and forth from the sink, this faucet lets you fill them directly on the stovetop. That alone makes cooking feel easier and more efficient. The extended swing arm gives you plenty of reach, and the high water flow fills large pots surprisingly fast. It's one of those upgrades you don't realize you need until you use it every single day. And because it mounts directly above the stove, it creates a smoother cooking workflow while also keeping the kitchen cleaner and more organized. Build quality. Build quality is another strong point here. The brass construction feels solid and durable, while the ceramic disc valve helps keep the handle operation smooth, with fewer drips over time. The finish is also designed to resist corrosion, which is important for something constantly exposed to water and heat near the stove. Even the handles feel sturdy and well-built, giving the faucet a true high-end kitchen feel. Yes, it's definitely a premium-priced upgrade, and installation can be more complicated than a standard faucet. But for luxury kitchens and serious home cooking setups, this faucet absolutely stands out. And after looking at the design, functionality, and build quality, it's easy to see why the Delta 1177LF-CZ pot filler faucet stands out as a premium kitchen upgrade. A good kitchen upgrade should do more than just look nice. It should make everyday cooking feel better. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. See you in the next one.